How to sign up, create Indeed Flex account. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up or create Indeed Flex account. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account, you could also use my link in the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Indeed Flex, it is a workforce management platform designed to connect businesses with temporary workers for short-term flexible job opportunities. It is also one of the largest job search engines, and Indeed Flex aims to simplify the hiring process for employers while providing workers with access to a wide range of gigs. So now to start, all you need to do is simply install this application on your mobile phone, and after opening it, it will show you in here, or it will ask you where will you work. So just click the available location in here, and after that, just simply enter the state of the specific country. And after that, you also need to enter your email address in here. After entering your email address, just proceed by clicking the agree and continue button below here. Upon clicking on it, you'll automatically be directed on this page. And all you need to do is to simply add and verify your phone number and continue. So all you need to do is simply enter here your mobile phone number. Then you will receive a verification code that you need to enter in here. And after successfully entering the code in here, just click the submit button to proceed. And it will ask you to also tell about yourself, such as by entering your first name, last name. And to check the boxes below, it indicates you agree to the terms and conditions. And after that, just proceed by clicking agree and continue button below. Then you will now be able to be directed on the page. And all you need to do is simply turn on your location and start selecting here where would you like to work. So again, just simply turn on the location on your settings, and after that, you could also select here to set the radius in the 5, 10, 15, 20 to 100 miles or kilometer that you prefer. And after selecting the location, all you need to do is simply enter here the referral code if you have one. But as you can see in here, we have now successfully created our account in this Indeed Flex platform or application in here. So after that, just click Start Now button to start navigating the dashboard. And upon clicking on it, we will now be able to be directed in here, where you could also turn on the notification, and all you need to do is to wait for it to load. Then it will show you in here the process and how you can start to get started, such as in finding a job. It says here that you can browse roles and find one that matches your skills, experience, then book an interview. And as you can see, it says here that they have a one job opening in my area. So after applying for a job, you also need to undergo to the interview and complete the onboarding task. And after that, you can now start booking your first ship. And as you can see below here, it will show you also some of the hints and tips in applying a job in this Indeed Flex. And you could also navigate this My Job section or option in here, where it will show you some of the book, offered, and applied job that has been offered to you or applied. You'd also navigate this browse to browse a specific job posted in here. But as you can see, we only have here one open jobs, which is this forklift driver with hourly rate of $17 per hour. But you could also scroll down to look for specific different kind of job. Moving on to this pay section, it will show you in here some of the history of your transaction or payment in here. Moving on under this profile section, you'd also navigate here to customize your minimum rate. Enter your work profile, such as your work preferences, skills and experiences, onboarding, and many more. In which this part is the process where you also need to enter or input all of these details, so that you'll be able to get hired quickly, or the possibilities will high once you fill up all of this and it fits on the job that you are applying for. You could also prefer your resume, cover letter, and even a portfolio of your past job or your work in here. But basically, Indeed Flex is a workforce management platform designed to connect businesses with temporary workers for short-term, flexible job opportunities. And aside from that, Indeed Flex also offers benefits like instant pay options, making it an attractive choice for those seeking flexible work arrangements. And as you can see, you could also earn here using your referrals by inviting someone to join using your link in here, in which once they sign up, you'll be able to earn a commission from it. And if you also have other concern or question, you could also visit the frequently asked question or support team to answer any queries that may concern you. So basically, Indeed Flex bridges the gap between businesses needing agile staffing solutions and workers seeking flexible employment. And by prioritizing the speed, trust, and adaptability, it plays a crucial role in modernizing workforce management and empowering individuals to take charge of their careers in an ever-revolving job market today. So overall, that is just basically how you can sign up or create Indeed Flex account.